BBK, adjustable clutch cable and quadrant kit, 79 through 95 Mustang. Show you a little bit about this kit, and maybe it'll help you out if you've never installed this or changed your clutch. So show you a little bit about it, maybe help you out. Okay, going on here, this is your clutch quadrant right there, double hook. Now that's going to go underneath the dash and attach to your pedals. You can install this piece without removing the clutch and brake pedal assembly, but I removed mine so I could line everything up. You're going to use some washers, space everything so it's lined up as good as you can, or you can take your seat out and get up under there and put that in there. But if you can, remove your pedals. I'll say that much right off the bat. Okay, now this is your adjustable firewall adjuster. You can adjust your clutch cable from your firewall. You don't have to use this piece. Regular Ford Fox body cable will fit, but this is something that you can install, and then especially if you're racing your car, and you can adjust your cable right at your firewall. Okay, and what it does, it fits on here. Here's the cable. Here's my old cable. Okay, it fits on here just like, it'll snap right up on there, see? And then if you don't want to use it, yeah, there it is. Now, this is something I wanted to talk about a little bit. The reason my clutch started squealing and wore out prematurely was because of this cable. Okay, I cannot even move this cable. Okay, right here, I'm pulling on it this hard. Get it over here. As hard as I can. I move it a little bit. That's all I get. Okay, a faulty cable, and that was a big problem. It's costing me some money now. And what happened, it's probably got too close to my long tube headers. I think that's what happened, and heated it up there over the last year and a half and caused it to fail. They make a heat shield to prevent that, and I'll put that on the new one. Okay, now this under the car, right on the transmission, this is if you want to adjust your clutch cable on this car. Ford, lots of them are similar. This is, of course, this is an 88. This is your cover. It's got one bolt. It is I'll find it there. It's an 11. It's what I used. 11 socket or wrench. Okay. Now you also have this bracket right here. It's under the hood on your fender well, your driver's side fender well. It's not too difficult to get to. This piece right here, that's what hooks on your double hook quadrant. You hook it on either of the hooks depending on, you play around with it until you figure out where you want it. And it'll be easy to, you'll know when you get there. Now this piece right here, this is under the car. This is where you actually adjust. This will be under this cover, okay? And also note that clip right there. When you're pulling this off the bell housing, there's a little clip there. Just slide it up or down and remove that cover. Now you're going to have something that looks like this. Okay, this is kind of I want to call it like an acorn nut, or rounded a little bit. You'll notice it's just a little bit rounded there, if you notice. Now this piece right here is going to slip through your bell housing. It's not hard. Push it through your bell housing, and there's a tiny groove right here. There's a clip that goes right there. You just push a clip up on there, holds it in place. So it's not real difficult to deal with. It's dangerous getting under that car. Make sure you got everything blocked up good. That's the main thing I try to. Safety's number one as far as I'm concerned. Okay, now this is the way it goes. You'll put this nut on like this. It'll go through a clutch fork, real easy to deal with, not a problem at all. Just stick it through the clutch fork. Okay, you'll put that nut on there like that. Okay, and you'll have another nut like this, I think it's 1/2 inch, and you'll put that on there like that. Okay, to lock it to wherever you want your clutch adjusted. This is how you adjust your clutch. Okay, you get in the car, if it's catching, your pedal's catching too close to the floor, adjust it one way or the other, or whatever. So that's it right there. Sometimes your cable will try to spin on you when you're adjusting the clutch. Get you a little wrench right here. There's a little piece right here. Little wrench will fit on there and hold your cable snugly. And I got a few extra little random videos that I took last week, just outside working on the car. I've already put the new cable on there, and I realized my clutch is actually the throwout bearing is bad. So I'm going to replace everything, and I'll make a couple videos on that. And that's all I got for now.